I wanna make a test. Let's jump into make.com. In this part, I'm gonna click run once, wait for the new data, and go to your app here. I'm gonna name again Emma email mail.com. The amount 20. Okay, I'm gonna click save changes. Perfect. Go here. Everything is perfect here. Okay, I have these new values. I'm gonna see my Google Sheet and I have here emma.com. The email is a new value 20. Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to automate Flutterflow apps with make.com step by step. Here we have the flowchart. Basically, we're gonna use a webhook in order to we can recognize our Flutterflow app, and then we're gonna send this information. Okay, well, let's get started. I'm gonna say this. We're gonna create from scratch. Click here, create a new scenario. And in this part, I'm gonna type webhook. I'm gonna select custom webhook. Add a new one. Click save. And I'm gonna copy this address. Look at this here. It will be listening and receiving all the data that I'm gonna send. Okay, that's the reason this is looking for this information. I'm gonna click copy address to clipboard and go to Flutterflow and create a new app or new project. I'm gonna name here. This will be finance. All right. Once you're here, I'm gonna go here to API calls. And in this part, I'm gonna create a new API call. Okay. I'm gonna name again here. I'm gonna say make. And I'm gonna paste in this part the link of the webhook and select the post because we need to send this information. All right. Now I'm gonna choose body, and in this part I'm gonna send a JSON format. And in this part I'm gonna send 3 parameters. Okay, the name, email, and amount. Perfect. I'm gonna use the double quote for this. In every part, for every parameter. Here. Perfect. And here, column. I'm gonna type here. For example, I'm gonna send Emma name, comma, and here again column, the email, and this part will be Emma mail.com. Okay, and for the amount, I'm gonna need to amount 10, for example. This is simple number. Okay, that's all. I'm gonna click format. Everything is right here. And I'm gonna make a test. Here, I'm gonna test and success. Alright, now I'm gonna go here. Successfully determined. Alright, perfect. I'm gonna click save. And I'm gonna click here, run once. He's waiting for the new data. I'm gonna go to Flutterflow and again test topical, jump into make.com, and I have here the name Emma, email, and the amount 10. Alright, everything is perfect. Now, in this part, I'm gonna add a new module here. This will be a new module from Google Sheets. I'm gonna add a new row in this module. For this specific example, I'm gonna use this. Okay, I'm gonna have here a database with the fields name, email, and amount. I'm gonna complete all these fields from the app. The title is finance, and I'm gonna go here and look for this finance. Perfect. I have here the sheet name, sheet 1, the name, it will be the name from the previous module, the email, and the amount. Click save. Alright, everything is done here. I'm gonna save. Now, I'm gonna go again to Flutterflow. And here, I'm gonna make some changes. Okay, create new variables. And in this part, I'm gonna add a new variable. The name is a type of a string. The email, a string, and the amount. Amount here. This is a type integer. Okay. Alright. And here in this part and body, I'm gonna change these new values. The name comes here, email, the amount. Alright. Perfect. Click format. Perfect. Everything is right here. I'll call. Alright. I have everything here. Alright. Now I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna add a new page here. I'm gonna go to settings and I'm gonna search. I don't know, maybe this is perfect. Okay, I'm gonna type a name here, finance. Once you're here, I'm gonna delete this part. Delete this too. I'm gonna copy this and paste. Okay, I'm gonna change here. The name is finance. This is the name. Email and amount. And here, in this part, I'm gonna say the same here. The name, amount. Okay, perfect. And in this new part, I'm gonna create here a new action. Okay, I'm gonna look for API call. Click here, and once you're here, click into it. And in this part, I'm gonna add this new action. I'm not saying the name of this integration make. Alright, I'm gonna set the variables. This is the name, value, widget state, name, okay, email, widget state, email, and amount, widget state, amount. Alright, perfect. And here I'm gonna add, when this is true, I'm gonna new a new action here. This will be snack, show snack bar. This will be say send. Okay. And then I'm gonna add a new here, new action. We'll clear text fields. I'm gonna clear the name, email, and amount. Alright. Everything is done. I'm gonna close. And now I'm gonna make a test. Okay. I'm gonna go here. It takes some time here. Perfect. I have here. Now I wanna make a test. Let's jump into make.com. In this part, I'm gonna click run once, wait for the new data, and go to your app here. I'm gonna name again Emma email mail.com. The amount 20. Okay, I'm gonna click save changes. Perfect. Go here. Everything is perfect here. Okay, I have these new values. With these new values, Emma, the bundle is here too. Is done. Okay, and I'm gonna see my Google Sheet, and I have here emma.com. The email is a new value 20. I can say new values here. Alright, everything is done. Perfect. Remember, you can create any type of apps using tools like Flutterflow and then automate them with make.com. This way, you will save time and money. After all, you have here bunch of tools. You can add modules, create docs using ChatGPT. You know, in this channel you will see a lot of videos talking about these automations. Alright? Okay. Well, I think that's all for now. If you have any question, leave them in the comments. Stay tuned for more and see you in the next video.